What is Docker Compose? Docker Compose is a tool for defining and running multi-container Docker applications. It allows you to configure multiple containers in a single YAML file, dockercompose.yml, and manage them with a single command. Instead of running multiple Docker run commands manually, Docker Compose automates the process, making it easier to manage complex applications. Why is Docker Compose used? 1. Simplifies multi-container management. With Docker Compose, you define multiple containers like a web app, database, and cache in one configuration file. Instead of running separate Docker run commands, you start everything with Docker Compose up. This reduces manual effort and ensures consistency. 2. Define services in a single file. You describe all services, backend, frontend, database, cache, etc. in Docker Compose.yml. Example, a .NET Core API within SQL Server database can be defined in a single file. 3. Supports dependency management. If a service depends on another, e.g., a web app needs a database, Compose ensures they start in the correct order. It waits for dependencies to be ready before launching dependent services. 4. Uses a simple and readable format. The YAML syntax is easy to read and modify, making it simpler to define complex setups. 5. Works in any environment. You can use Compose for local development, testing, and even production with Docker Swarm. It ensures that applications work consistently across different machines. 6. Enables networking between containers. Docker Compose automatically creates a network where containers communicate using service names instead of IPs. Example, a .NET API can connect to database instead of localhost. 7. Supports environment variables. You can use .env files to manage configurations for different environments, dev, test, prod. This avoids hard-coding credentials or settings. 8. Makes scaling easy. You can scale up services with a simple command. Docker Compose up, scale web equals 3. This is useful for load balancing and handling more traffic. When to use Docker Compose? When developing a multi-container application, e.g., API plus database plus frontend. When automating container setup and dependencies. When ensuring a consistent development environment across teams. When testing applications before deploying to production. Summary. Docker Compose helps manage multi-container applications easily by defining all services in one file and automating their execution. It simplifies setup, dependency management, networking, and scaling, making it a powerful tool for modern application development. Please like, subscribe, and share for more such videos.